Well, I asked you guys if you wanted to see the Kim or the Bella from Teddy Blake, and you overwhelmingly said the Bella. So that's what's in this box. Let's get it open and take a look, shall we? Hi YouTube, Autumn Beckman here. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My channel is all about luxury living on a budget, from high-end luxury handbags to the everyday luxuries of life. If that sounds interesting to you, please make sure you subscribe, click the bell notification icon to be notified when I post new videos, and be sure to like the videos that you enjoy. Today I have a handbag unboxing from Teddy Blake, and the first thing I noticed when I went to pick up this box is that it no longer says Teddy Blake on the box. I'm happy about that because I don't want anybody knowing what's in here and taking my package. Usually the packages are in an Amazon locker system. This was not today. I guess the lockers are full because everybody's ordering things online because they don't want to go out into stores, or stores are closed because of coronavirus. So I guess the lockers were full and there was no place to put this. It was just sitting out by itself where anybody could take it. So I'm glad it was an unmarked box. All right, let's dig in. By the way, I'm glad that you picked the Bella because that was my first choice as well. And full disclosure, Teddy Blake sent this bag to me in exchange for doing this unboxing and little review, first impressions. Ooh, I think it's upside down. Inside the big cardboard box is another box. I have another Teddy Blake bag. Let me go grab that. All right, Teddy Blake sent me this bag a few years ago. It is a dupe for the Birkin, as you can tell. This is a 30 centimeter, and I was really excited when they contacted me again because I love this bag so much. It is such great quality. It's beautiful. It still smells lovely. It is 100%, other than the hardware and the thread, 100% leather inside and out. Let me show you the inside of it. So you can see there, it's suede inside. It is gorgeous, very well made. These bags are made in Italy by a company called Beauty, B-U-T-I. And the retail on these bags, I want to say, was in the $400 range. They don't make these anymore, or Teddy Blake doesn't sell them anyway. I don't know if Beauty still makes them, but Teddy Blake has other bags now that are also beautiful. So let's get back to the Bella unboxing. So what I was saying was, this box was inside the cardboard box, and I do not remember that green bag coming in a box. So this is a new thing, at least in the last few years. I don't know when they started this. It's a magnetic box, just like you'd get from any of the big luxury houses. Oh, what does that say? Discover your Teddy Blake designer handbag. Did I already mention these are made in Italy, but Teddy Blake is out of New York. So we open it up. Teddy Blake, New York. Designer handbags made in Italy, luxury leather. Each Teddy Blake handbag has been made with you in mind to be an extension of your unique style and flatter your every fashion choice. There's a blooper for Yota. Paper, and then the handbag. Very well wrapped here. Okay, let me get the plastic off this. Plastic bag off, now there's bubble wrap. I'm happy to see a beautiful, good quality dust bag. They used to have, let me show you the old dust bags. They were labeled Beauty. They're this silk fabric, also a very nice quality dust bag, silk or satin, whatever that is. But that is the manufacturer of the bags, and then I guess that would make Teddy Blake the distributor. But I like that they have their own branding on the dust bags now. That's nice. All right, here we go. Oh, that is gorgeous. Get the tags out of the way. Look at this. Let's do a 360 and then start looking at it up close. Oh, it's really, really beautiful. I'm glad that I picked the croc design. Did y'all hear that whining? That's Roxy, she's on my floor. I'm glad I picked the croc design. That's really lovely. Some people can do croc and it looks really cheap. This does not look cheap. This is gorgeous. And here it says Teddy Blake, New York, in gold. Front, there's the side. Looks like it has a snap on the side. I didn't know about that. Here is strap hanging out, the back, and the other side. And then the bottom, so no feet on this. And the handles are also in the croc. Beautiful. And then the top of the bag looks like this. This is one of the reasons I really wanted this bag, is these two zippered compartments. We'll get into those in a minute. All right, well actually I guess we'll get into the inside now. So it looks like it does, yep, have snaps on the end so you can expand the bag. And one of the reasons, or another reason that I wanted this bag over the other one that I was looking at, is that the shape of the bag is this rectangle. It's very boxy, just like a Birkin style bag would be. So, and these are both 30-inch, so let me hold these up and just give you a sense of the size and a little bit of a comparison there. So very similar shape. All right, they've got it stuffed with paper, and there's a strap. We'll look at that in a minute. It's hard for me to see in the bag with my lights shining in my eyes here. Starting with the front of the bag where the logo is, open it up, and inside it's a big black hole. On the back there's a pocket, and this is all suede, that comes out like that as you saw. Oh, that's on both sides, so that's the zippered compartment. Both sides of this unzip and have a pocket there. Let me measure the pockets for you, and actually let me measure the whole bag while I'm thinking about it. So this is the 30 centimeter, the 12-inch, and it actually measures 12.5 inches across the bottom. It measures 6 inches deep, 9 inches here to here, and then 12.5 inches including the handle. And then about 3 to 3.25 inches for your drop there, which you can fit it over your arm, but it's gonna be a little tight. I think the shoulder strap would really help with that. And then I was going to measure the pockets. I measured inside the seams, so the part of the pocket that you can actually put things in, it's 9.5 inches across this way with the pocket, and it was 8 inches deep. And then other than those two pockets on the ends, it is a big black hole, like I said, and it's all suede. And I watched a few videos on this prior to getting this bag. And one thing that I found out is that the base, the bottom of the bag, is removable. And it's suede on one side and Croco on the other. And that allows you to go in and clean the bag a little better if you want to. It also gives the base a little more structure. It is without that bottom piece in. You can see the way it's constructed here. It is pretty squishy. So I think if you start putting things in, let me throw a few things in here, you could start to get some sag down here without that base. So maybe you like that look. This is a very structured looking bag. It's very business professional. So I would probably personally keep the base in it. And I'm sure you could also get a bag organizer. I think an organizer that would fit the 30 centimeter Birkin style bag would probably fit in here just fine, but you're gonna have a more rectangular bag that way because of the sides of the organizer. I wanna point out on both sides of the interior of the pocket, it has a strip of the Croco leather, and then it says Teddy Blake, New York there. Now let's look at the strap. This is one of the things that I liked about this bag too. So the strap is also the Croco material. So this is not crocodile, if I didn't mention that. This is a cow's leather that's stamped to look like croc. The hardware looks like that, the teardrop clasp. It has 6 holes where you can adjust the length, and it does have 2 of these little loops so that you keep the end of the strap from flipping out. The strap is adjustable. I just measured it from the shortest to the longest length, and I measured from just inside the little teardrop clip, and it goes from the shortest length at 35 inches to the longest length at 42 inches. Okay, I just attached the strap so you can see how it hangs, and this is something that I was curious about because on some bags, when you have the strap, like the D-rings that hold the strap attached on diagonal corners, what you're gonna get when you pick the bag up is some wonkiness there. So you may, if you want to use the shoulder strap, you may want to keep that snapped on both ends, and that solves the wonkiness problem. Easy peasy. Lovely. These D-rings are attached, let me show you here, inside the bag. So here's one right there, you can see. Well, I have to say, first impressions here and giving it a look over, It is just stunning. It is a gorgeous bag. It smells nice because again, it's leather inside and out. It is really beautiful. I'm so glad that we chose this one. I'm glad I got it in the black and gold. I'm glad I got the Croco. I think it's just spectacular. You can definitely tell the quality of this bag is very obvious, not just looking at it on camera, but in person too. It's a soft leather too. It doesn't have so much structure that, you know what, it doesn't have the artificial structure that the bag I cut up had. This, you can just feel it and tell that this is structure made from just the leather and the suede and the construction of the bag itself. It's really, really beautiful. It would make a great work bag, a great everyday bag, about the town, shopping bag. It's really beautiful, and it would also look nice with a twilly wrapped around it. And I saw a picture somewhere when I was researching this bag that you could hang bag charms from the little loops here. I didn't show you that. The zipper pulls have a little leather loop attached. Let's see. Also a cute detail. Well, this is spectacular. I just love it. I'm very, very, very impressed with it. My contact said that they were going to give me a coupon code for you. I don't have it yet at the time of filming, but I will contact them again and see if they can give it to me, so I can put it in the description box below for you. They also, at the time of me filming this, are having a sale on their website. There's a little sale section, so you can check that out and get some extra good prices on several of their bags. Well, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it, and I hope that you have a fantastic day, and I see you back here soon. I also hope that you are washing your hands and social distancing and staying safe. Healthy wishes to you and to your loved ones. I'll see you back here next time. Have a fantastic day. Bye.